everyone, and welcome back to StarBright Productions here on YouTube. We will try our best to bring you something special in every new video. For today's video, Caddy Simon from K-Girl on YouTube is here again to help us out by allowing us to use two of her fantastic videos for us to enjoy. We bring you a couple of different Norfolk Southern trains being pulled by a specially rebuilt GE 940C locomotive with a brand new wide nose cab, new front hood section, underfloor air conditioning, new electronics, and state-of-the-art traction motors converted from DC to AC current. This locomotive is now a GE AC44C6M, number NS4000, one of the affectionately called Blue Bonnet or Blue Main locomotives, referring to a wild thoroughbred horse's mane flying in the wind as it races across the plains. So, let's join Caddy trackside now and see what she has for us today. We're on the way, Caddy. Here we go, guys. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Hope you enjoyed our amazing railfan adventure for today. And thank you so much to Caddy Simon for your great and beautiful railfan adventure that you shared for us for today. And please don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe to our channel so you'll never miss our next and more adventures every Sundays and Wednesdays, only here at StarBright Productions. Once again, this is Megan Galyago with StarBright Productions. Bye for now, everyone!